Cerebral palsy, which normally we call CP, is one of the common disabilities which affect children throughout the world. So this is a problem which affects the brain of a child. The brain of a child is very small when it is inside the mother's uterus or when it is born. So if something happens to the brain of the child during these periods, some parts of the brain may get affected.
Children affected by this have spasticity, that is cerebral palsy. And these children have difficulty in sitting, in walking, in swallowing, and they have great difficulty in locomotion because it's involving the musculoskeletal system.
Cause for cerebral palsy may be because there may be some problem in the mother. The problem may be because it may be a twin delivery or a premature delivery or late pregnancy, or the mother may have some disease like diabetes, hypertension.
In India, cerebral palsy is a very common problem occurring in about 3 out of every 1,000 live-born children. And so the problem is immense, but there are very few rehabilitation centers available. To tackle this problem, the Rotary Club of Ambattur has formed the Bal Sanjeevani Cerebral Palsy Rehabilitation Center at the Ambattur Rotary Hospital in the year 2006. This center is equipped with a lot of modern equipment from Germany and Belgium, and these help in rehabilitation of these children.
First, we do a evaluation. That means we thoroughly examine the child along with all my team members. The team members are the physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, a nurse, and also specialists like orthopedic surgeons. So once we see the child together, we make a program.
High quality rehabilitation. That is the main treatment available to these children. High quality rehab, if instituted very early in their life, then new neuromuscular channels are formed, and these children can become quite active. Their motion and movements can improve, and very often these children can be integrated into normal society.
This is the type of treatment we call biofeedback. In this, the child will try to move the hands and the movement is captured in the computer, and the child will try to move the ball which is in between the two hands of the monkey, so that the child can slowly guide the ball so that it can go this way or that way. In this, the child will gain balance, control, and precision of movement.
And this is the main mission of the Bal Sanjeevani, to get these children back into the mainstream. Neville Billimoria, well-known marathon runner, has come forward to do a run for us. He is going to do Dawn to Dusk 2013, which is a run for these differently abled children.
After visiting Bal Sanjeevani, I was moved and I felt that I should do something for the children who have been affected by the cerebral palsy. I hope to raise some funds with the help of my cycling friends and running friends. I also look forward to all my well-wishers to help to raise funds. Thank you.